Okay, what's your name?
My name is Nicole.
And where are you from?
I'm from Taiwan, now living in Beijing.
Yes.
I'm a reporter, and I cover mostly tech-related topics. Yeah.
And what's your memory of the rainforest?
My memory from rainforest is mainly from documentaries and movies, because I had never been in a rainforest before, so this is my first time.
What's your first impression, and what's your image of the rainforest?
My first impression is that it's just so full of life. We're surrounded by just different creatures. I haven't gotten a chance to actually see it, but I can definitely hear all the noises, all the incredible sounds that they're making.
What do you expect to entering the rainforest? What you would like to obtain from the nature?
I definitely like to understand, the trees that grow here and the creatures that depended on these trees, and I want to focus more on just want to understand what we as human beings, our roles in protecting nature and just living in nature, because as city people we don't get to experience that very often, if at all.
And why do you think this project is important to you?
It's important to me because I've always been interested in the environment, and since I was little, and but I like I mentioned, I didn't get many opportunities to explore it. So I think it's important, not just for me, but for anybody to have this kind of experience, to try to understand, the planet that we live on. Yeah.
Are you excited to enter?
I'm very excited. Yeah.